Hey there, fellow RC enthusiasts. Welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures, your go-to channel for all things remote controlled. I'm Michael Rice, and today we've got something truly exciting to unveil: the new Losi 8XE ready-to-run 8th scale 4-wheel drive off-road buggy. Based on the championship-winning TLR 8X platform, this beast of a buggy is ready to dominate the off-road racing scene. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the world of RC racing, the Losi 8XE has got you covered. Now, let's talk performance. This bad boy is equipped with a sensored brushless power system delivering smooth, precise control that racers respect. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like the adrenaline rush of tearing through an 8th scale off-road track. Speaking of racing, the Losi 8XE is built to compete. With features like fully race-legal chassis and electronics, a championship-winning heritage, and a rugged aluminum chassis, this buggy is ready to take on anything the track throws its way. But what really sets the Losi 8XE apart is its incredible value. Normally, to get a buggy this well equipped, you'd have to spend a small fortune and countless hours assembling it yourself. With the 8XE, you're getting championship level performance right out of the box. From its sensored brushless system to its race-ready electronics and durable construction, every aspect of the Losi 8XE has been meticulously engineered for maximum performance and durability. And with top-of-the-line TLR option parts available, you can easily upgrade your buggy as your skills grow. So whether you're a seasoned racer looking for your next challenge or a newcomer ready to dive headfirst into the world of RC racing, the Losi 8XE has got everything you need to succeed. Don't just take my word for it. Get out there and experience the thrill of 8th scale off-road racing for yourself. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to RRC Remote Adventures for fresh RC content every week. And don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on the Losi 8XE. Until next time, happy racing!